Need warehouse labels with QR codes and barcodes? Let's create one directly from Google Sheets. Create a Google Sheet and paste your inventory data. Install Thermal Label Maker from the Google Workspace Marketplace. Grant permission so the add-on can access your spreadsheet data. Open Thermal Label Maker from the Extensions menu. Your spreadsheet headers are automatically converted into label placeholders. Request free Pro access to unlock template tools. Fill out the contact form and submit your request. You'll receive a confirmation email once your Pro access has been activated. Reopen the add-on and confirm that Pro features are now available. Start by setting your label width and height to match your printer and label stock. Insert product information directly from your spreadsheet columns. Arrange text fields exactly where you need them. Generate QR codes automatically from your tracking or product data. Create professional barcode labels without leaving Google Sheets. Preview your label and make adjustments before generating the final PDF. When everything looks right, generate a print-ready PDF with one click. Your label is generated as a print-ready PDF, preserving the exact size and layout you designed. Choose the stock that matches your label dimensions. The stock sizes used here were pre-configured in the printer driver beforehand. The label is printed and ready to use. The same PDF can also be printed on industrial Zebra printers such as the ZT411 without any modifications. Create labels in Google Sheets and print them on any compatible thermal printer. Start creating professional thermal labels directly from Google Sheets in minutes.